In today's video, I'll be showing you a natural way of treating ulcer at home with a very simple and common vegetable. Though this method is natural and has proven effective on the 2 people I've tried it on, but I'm not a medical doctor or in any way affiliated to one, so feel free to consult your doctor before taking self-medication. So the vegetable we've been talking about is no other than cabbage. Before the use of antibiotics in the treatment of ulcer, cabbage was a popular natural ulcer remedy. It contains a nutrient known as S-methyl-L-methionine, otherwise known as vitamin U, which is particularly found in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and kale. Cabbage is also rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant shown to help prevent and treat H. pylori infections. H. pylori is one of the most common causes of stomach ulcers. Based on some science-proven research carried out on both animals and man, cabbage juice has proven effective in treating and preventing a wide range of digestive ulcers, including those affecting the stomach. So I've gone ahead to attach all the necessary links on the description box that will help you to be more enlightened on the use of cabbage juice in the treatment of ulcer. Although cabbage juice is not sweet nor bitter, it's just kind of blunt, if I may say. So feel free to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey to a glass of cabbage juice. Honey appears to help prevent the formation and promote the healing of many wounds, including ulcers. Honey's antibacterial properties can help fight H. pylori, one of the most common causes of stomach ulcers. Take this first thing in the morning for 10 days, 30 to 40 minutes before breakfast. On average, you should start seeing improvements in about 3 to 4 days, as the case may be. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please endeavor to do so and turn on your notification bell. See you in my next video.